mistaken an on and off ex-boyfriend, who she claims lied about using her credit card without her permission, then admitted it to her after she called the police. Brenda's furious. He since refused to pay her back. Defendant Chad Cavenagh says the biggest mistake he made was lying to himself by thinking he loved Brenda. He insists Brenda wants him back and that she manipulates him by telling him he can't visit their son unless he has sex with her.
Prove your case.
Your Honor, the defendant is a bold-faced liar, and he's a thief. Me and this defendant here were going out for about 6.5 years, on and off.
6 years.
6.5 years, yeah.
7 years, Your Honor.
Me and the defendant were celebrating Thanksgiving one day early. We decided to cook a turkey. We weren't sure on how to cook it because it was our first Thanksgiving together, and we decided to run to the store and get a cookbook. He ran in, and I waited out in the car, and he didn't come out for a little while, so I then ran in after him. I didn't find him. I found the cookbook instead. I decided to pay with it with another credit card. We then rushed home because the turkey was cooking in the oven. We then rushed home. And later, a few days went by.
Remember, she gave me the credit card.
Do not listen to him, please.
All right. I can't hear you, though. If I plug my ears and don't listen to him, I can't hear you either.
A couple days later after that, I went to go use my card to make another purchase somewhere else, and I realized I didn't have it. I then decided to call up my credit card company and report lost and stolen. And all I got
You knew
was
I had the credit card.
You know what, Your Honor? He's a liar. Don't listen. Man, he is so full of it.
Want me to go to Walmart and get Pampers
No, he
and
is
for our
such
kids?
a liar.
Hopefully
He cannot
mine.
do this. No. Anyways, you're
Won't even
so
let me get a DNA
wrong.
test. You're turning down
Whatever.
DNA test.
You know what, Chad?
You cheated on me.
Chad.
You cheated on me after
My son has
Thanksgiving.
nothing to do with the
That's
case,
why I
so
gave you my
drop
credit
it.
card.
So drop it, okay? And you're a liar, and I'll prove that today in court.
I lied to myself that I loved you,
No.
that's for sure.
You know what? It was never love. He wanted a mommy. He wanted a mommy. Somebody to take care of him. And
I wanted a monogamous woman that would be faithful.
Did you make him call you mommy?
No.
When were these charges made?
They were back in November of last year.
Of 2002?
November and December 1st. Yes.
We'll be right back.
WCI.
About filing a lawsuit, give us a call with the details. Defendant Chad Cavanagh's ex-lover claims he's a thief who wanted a mommy instead of a girlfriend.
Let me hear from him.
Well, it's because the reason why she's suing me now is because I won't take her back and
No way. I don't want him back. Not after
See, Your Honor, the reason why we're here.
When did you all break up?
We broke up originally back in October. But
The most recent time.
Most recent
Your Honor,
time
that's a lie.
was December, I believe it was December 1st, December 2nd.
But for the first time, or for the first so-called permanent time, it was in October.
Correct. I came with her. I was recently without a job. I was constantly involved with tests, donating a kidney, and...
Yeah, for money,
Now
Your Honor.
listen.
The guy was supposed to give him money, but he did not live through.
Ultimately, the guy died because of her false accusations.
No.
And the surgery was delayed 2 weeks later. Or actually, I'm sorry, Your Honor, a week after.
What false accusations caused the
Having two detectives call me and asking me for questionings, and then they finally realized that they had nothing and they had to drop the case. Finally, I get to go donate the kidney. My friend dies right after.
Did he get the kidney?
Yeah, he did. I wasted a kidney. I got all my evidence right here. I wasted a kidney.
That's not funny, folks. Hey. Hold on, I'm trying to understand, though. If he got the kidney, did
he went straight into a coma. It was way too late.
How did they keep you from going to the hospital to donate your kidney? That's what I'm... You keep trying to blame her and the police for your friend's death.
Well,
you're going to have to prove this. How did they stop you from contributing your kidney in a timely manner?
Detectives told my mom to get a hold of me that I need to contact them right away for this matter, or they will come to the hospital.
And did you do that?
Yes, I did.
And how long did they interview you?
For about 2 hours, sir.
They interviewed you on the exact date that you donated your kidney?
No, sir.
Well, then you are a liar. Like she said, that 2-hour interview did not keep you from donating your kidney in a timely manner. Now, I understand you feel bad about it, but don't try to make other people feel bad by trying to make up a story that she stopped you from donating your kidney to your buddy in the proper time frame. That's not what caused his death, and you shouldn't say that. So
she had knowledge.
Authorized you to make the charges?
Correct. I was using it so I can get gifts for our kid. And then when I placed... Yeah, I did.
What'd you get your child?
He's a liar.
Quiet. What did you get your child?
I got him some games.
How old is the child?
Our son was 3 years old.
When you made the charges?
Correct.
Your Honor, Best Buy.
Yeah, what's the Best Buy?
It was a PlayStation and Grand Theft Auto. Yeah, that was for my son.
Grand Theft Auto and
they were off.
You know when this one speak?
Yes, you could.
Come on up. Say your name.
He has nothing to it, Your Honor.
How do you know?
He was going out with her after this had happened, Your Honor.
Okay, well, maybe she got something to say. Maybe she's going to say he's a nice guy. He uses her credit card all the time, but he pays. State your name.
Victoria Gibbons.
What you want to tell me?
I want to tell you that since he's moved on with his life and changed for the better, she has made it but nothing but ridiculous against us.
How?
Well, she calls me at work and says how good she had it with him and all this harassment.
Your Honor, that's a lie. I called you once at work and said he was with me because you were bothering my mother.
How was he bothering your mother?
Because he was with me. We were going to try to work things out, but things didn't happen. And she kept trying to call my mother that day.
Well, you wouldn't listen. Well, I should call. That's why I called your mom. To let maybe she
Why you gonna bring her mother into this mess?
That was
You bring it now, but I bet you'll be back over there in 6 months. What else do you have there?
I also have an audio tape for you to listen, Your Honor.
What? Go ahead, let me hear it.
Yes, I owe $1,043.83. Yes, you were not with me on all those charges.
Manipulation, Your Honor.
Who?
Manipulation. She manipulates me.
How?
I can't even say the word.
That's all right. I got your point.
If I was to take her back or agree to certain stuff, she wants me to write certain stuff. Then I can see my kid.
I never did do that, Your Honor. And besides,
No, Your Honor.
my son has nothing to do with this court, Your Honor.
How many months?
That's another issue, Your Honor.
Ma'am, you've denied 8 months visitation.
That's another court matter, Your Honor.
I'm asking you a question. It has some relevance to this. It has some relevance to your credibility and your testimony today.
Your Honor, I have other signatures of him.
You're not going to answer my question?
Can you please repeat it one more time?
Have you denied him visitation of his child for 8 months?
No, I have not. Denied it.
When's the last time he saw the child?
When was it? It's been quite a while, Your Honor.
The verdict when we return. Coming up next.
She says that you treat your friends now you're coming in asking the Lord to strike your mother dead. You are a bona fide nut.
Wednesday on Judge Mathis.
Plaintiff Brenda Porter calls her ex-lover a liar and a thief who wanted a mommy instead of a girlfriend.
He says the reason he made that statement on tape is because you told him if he said that on tape, you would let him see the child.
That's not true, Your Honor.
Well,
the reason why he agreed to it was
that statement sounded contrived, and I don't believe you now.
Oh, I would like you to listen to other tapes, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
I have other tapes.
Go ahead and play them.
What did you buy?
Diapers, toys.
What was at Best Buy?
Burned off.